Hey guys, James Paradise. It is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. And I want you to watch this. I'm going to show you, listen, watch this video all the way to the end. I am making sometimes $2,000 or $3,000, $2,000 to $3,000 a day selling baby products. Baby, look at that little baby. I'm selling baby products on Amazon, and Amazon is paying me $2,000 to $3,000 a day to do it. You want to learn how to do it? Keep watching this video and I will personally help. I'm making this at about 9 o'clock at night on a Tuesday night. We're just over here picking up some money from a client, and we're putting them in business selling products on Amazon. Now, the best way to sell products on Amazon and to make really good money, really fast, really quick, I'm talking I can show you how to make money in one day selling the #1 product in the world, and it's on Amazon. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. But keep watching the video all the way to the end, because at the end, in the last like 60 seconds, I'm going to give you a special link in the description below this video. There's going to be a link. You click on that link, you post a ad, which I'm going to show you how to do, and you're going to make money selling that product, and you can do it in 1 minute. The first thing you want to do is this, guys. The first thing you want to do is go to Amazon. If you are not an Amazon affiliate partner, you want to go to Amazon.com, scroll all the way down, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and click on Make Money With Us. It says Make Money With Us. Now, Amazon has been doing affiliate marketing since 1998, over 20 years, okay? And you're going to click on Affiliate Partner. Make Money With Us, Affiliate Partner. You want to find that. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, Amazon.com. Scroll all the way down on your phone or on your computer. Look for Make Money With Us and click on Affiliate Partner. That's what you need to do. That's steps on Amazon. So what's going to happen is after you click on that link, Affiliate Partner, they're going to send you an email. You're going to click on that email. There's a link in the email, and then you're going to go back to Amazon and confirm your account. Now you are an Amazon affiliate partner. Woohoo! Yay! Then you want to go and find this product. And if you learn how to sell this product, you don't have to sell it, you just market it. You're going to drive traffic to this product. You're going to start making money every single day. And I'm talking, I don't know, how about $1,000 a day? Let's go to step 2. Okay, so step 2, go back to Amazon. You have your new Amazon link, and you're going to start marketing this product. Okay, here we go. You want to find this product. The product is, believe it or not, baby food. Yep, one of the most popular products being sold on Amazon is baby food. You know why? Because last year in 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic epidemic, everybody was having sex because they were stuck at home during the quarantine, and now there are more babies being born in 2021 than in any year recorded in the last 100 years. So everybody's ordering baby products online. So I want you to go find baby products, baby food, baby clothes, baby strollers, baby cribs, anything having to do with babies. In fact, below this video in the description, I'm going to put a link to a couple of different products that I've been selling for the last 6, 7, 8 months, and I've made over $100,000 just selling baby products on Amazon. So look for that link below. Let's go to step. Okay, so step 3. Now you want to take that link, go to a baby product, and grab the link in the description below, and you're going to take that link, your Amazon link, Amazon.com/your link. That's your affiliate partner link, and Amazon is going to pay you a commission every time somebody clicks on your link and buys anything on Amazon. Now, I'm telling you to promote and market baby products right now. Baby food, baby diapers, baby wipes, baby strollers, baby carriers, baby anything. Everybody's buying baby stuff, okay? And this is in 26 different countries. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna post an ad, like a little post, and just say, hey, check out this hot baby product on Amazon right now. It's 10% off, 20% off, 30% off. Everything's on sale on Amazon, right? And you say, if you need anything for your baby, click this link, or click this picture, or click this video. I'll show you how to turn a video or a link, a video or a picture into a clickable link. That's another training. And they click on it. and then they're gonna go buy the product and you're gonna make money. Let's go to okay, now step 4, it's really simple. This is what you need to do, and you're gonna keep making more money. Now, when you get your Amazon affiliate partner link, you're gonna start promoting baby products. You're gonna post photos and videos telling people, and by the way, there's a little baby right there. Why do I know this? How do I know what I'm doing? Because I have a little baby boy. I have an 8-month little baby boy. We are selling products on Amazon, and Amazon is paying us thousands of dollars of commissions every day, every week, every month. Step 4, you are gonna ask people for their email. So you're gonna say, look, click on this link, go opt into my page. I'm gonna keep sending you more valuable information about discounts and promotions that you can get on Amazon and get things cheaper on sale for baby products, anything you need for a baby. Now, you might say, well, James, I don't like babies, I don't have a baby, I don't want to promote baby products. How about pet food? Did you know they're selling hundreds of millions of dollars of pet food on Amazon every month? Really? How about Rolex watches? How about a Rolex watch? How about sunglasses? How about clothes? They sell over $100 million worth of clothes every month on Amazon worldwide. Really? You can promote and market anything. So step 4, you want to send people an email every time they click on your link. You ask them for their email. They're going to opt into an opt-in page, which is another part of my training. And then you got to set up an opt-in page. And then you get their name, their email, and their mobile number. And now you're going to send them an email every day reminding them to go back to Amazon and buy more products. And you keep making more money. Every time they buy a product, make money. Do you love this idea? Okay, and then step 5, all you have to do is be set up to collect your commissions from Amazon. So go back to Amazon and go into your account, get your username and password, and you have to connect your PayPal account or your bank account. You can do both. And then Amazon, every time somebody buys a product, they will pay you a commission anywhere from 1% up to 15% commissions on everything you sell. So picture it this way. What if I could teach you how to sell $100,000 a month just in baby products, which is the #1 products being sold on Amazon right now? I'm talking March 2nd, 2021 right now, worldwide, in 26 countries. Everybody's going baby crazy. They're buying baby products. Why? Because they're having babies. $100,000 a month you sell on Amazon, and you make just 5%. That's $5,000 extra money while you're sleeping, because Amazon sells all the products. You don't have to do anything except drive traffic and tell people to go buy baby products on Amazon. If you love that idea and you want my personal help, click on the link in the description below, or just send me your mobile number and your country code. We'll get on a live WhatsApp call. I'm gonna put my WhatsApp number in the link in the description below. I'm even gonna put it on the thumbnail of this video, and I will help you personally live in 1 hour. 1 hour. You get on a phone call with me in 1 hour. I will teach you how to make money on Amazon in 1 hour, and I guarantee it, or you don't ever have to talk to me again.